Yo, what's up? This is B from LA Jewelry District Uncut, and today we're coming with a how-to video, specifically how to micro polish. Check this out. So right here is the before and after. This is what we originally got, and right after is the final product. Real nice and shiny. Look at the difference. This is what you should go for.
Micro polish. They want all this to be nice and shiny. Okay.
Okay, so now to start, you gotta buff. This is the buffing process. You have to buff the top of the surface to make sure you have a flat ground so you can high polish. Very important. So what follows after is the micro polishing around the top layer to ensure the small details do get polished as well. And this is the most important part. Remember, if you don't micro polish well, the details won't come out well, and you're just going to be micro polishing for no reason. So this, again, is the most important part. Make sure you get it right. Okay, so here, all he's doing is micro diamond cut finishing the bottom layer. We already got the top layer out the way. Now it's just focusing on the bottom layer. Now to end it, we go with a nice diamond cut finish. Make it look nice and shiny and make the details stand out. Give it a nice high polish to make it stand out even more. And there you go. That's the final product. And that's how you get a true cut and clear micro polish. Come follow us for more.